the fuck?
Oh no, what's that gonna do to him?
No,
Give
let
him
me-
a headache.
Red Paw.
Take it.
Okay.
Help me, Red Paw.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm trying to
Now
get
we
it out
gotta
of you,
stick it in
idiot.
him. We have to stick it in him.
Mom, it's so funny when you give people the I'm just having a really big headache.
Come here, Blue, come here. Where are you going, Blue?
That was the ultimate combo right there.
Nah, I'm calling that.
That's gonna arrow him into landmine, bro.
You miss your own mom. You miss your own.
You can hear ISO speed? You can hear Ben and stuff? I can't hear ISO speed. Hey, Mom, you want to trade? Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's all I needed. That's all I needed.
Yeah? Yeah, sure.
Do you want to trade for something duplicated? I only like
yeah.
robot. Do you have... Please tell me you have a robot monkey.
Yes, I do. I have a robo monkey.
Is it duplicated?
No.
Then I'm not trading with you. What else do you have?
Crackers. A full bag of crackers. Blueberry. Oh, blueberries here. The blueberry.
Do I?
Help me!
Pikachu. My Pikachu.
I want to trade for my red flashlight. I want to trade for my red flashlight. You want to trade? Guys, I want to trade.
Hey, Purple, do you have something duplicated?
Yeah, I actually do.
What do you have, Cyan? Please tell me you have.
If only I had the power.
What do you have?
Always say I do. Always say.
If only I had me power.
Yo, bro, this is W, bro. You're a W.
Help! Not.
Right here. Yeah. Here, let me friend you.
Oh, Mario.
You're getting friended. I friended you.
Hey, stay away from me, Meow.
You're in the code.
Come on, Mario.
RENTO.
Get it off of me. Get the thing off of me.
Alright.
No, not you. My dad just cheered because the Seahawks got a touchdown, and he's a Seahawks fanatic. Nobody likes you. I like the Seahawks! And it's me, Mario. That's it, No, RPD alien, where are you?
We're up more. Come on, man.
Anybody want a huge pumpkin?
Mario, where are you? Mario. Mario, where are you?
What's up, guys?
Here, if you wanna go moon map.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Who else wants to go moon map? Who else wants to go moon map?
I'm going to moon map.
Yeah, I don't like moon
I
map.
just peed my pants.
You wanna go moon map? Here, put this in here.
No, I don't like moon map.
I already put one in there.
Yo, do you guys hear that?
peed my
Yo, do you
Activate
guys hear
that
that?
and put it in.
Yeah.
Mario, where are
Alright,
you?
I'm heading to moon map.
Wait, do you guys hear that? It sounds like a person screaming.
Okay, you go to moon map way. Grab my vape and I just start vaping.
Yo, there might.
Yo,
can
guys,
anybody
who
hear
wants
me?
to hit a vape
Mario.
with me? Who wants to vape with me?
Yeah,
Hurry, take me to the moon map. Hurry.
Go
Hurry,
to the
hurry.
brain matter room.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Oh, I need a
Hey,
piece.
yo.
Frog.
Blue,
Frog.
Yeah?
Frog.
blue.
You don't like you red because you're red. Stupid red.
Guys, on top of hey, red, on top of treehouse.
Somewhere else if you turn.
Guys, on top of treehouse.
Where are we going?
Oh no!
On top of treehouse.
Go on, get up there. Don't worry, Orange.
No, please, 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 please. No, please, please.
even need
Oh,
it.
that's the first.
No, I was there first. I did everything.
Bro,
At least I'm
it's
happy now because I
RNG, bro.
didn't get like a turn.
You're not always gonna get it just because you hit it.
Oh my god.
True.
Bro,
Still.
Hello,
What?
Mom! Go. Is anyone named Avery in the server? Me!
There's no way your name Avery.
Me!
You're not Avery.
Yeah, I am.
It has to
No,
be
you're not.
until then.
Okay, prove it then. Prove it. Prove it. Prove it. Prove it.
How do I
prove it.
prove I'm Avery?
Add me.
Add you? Okay, I'll add you.
My name is Green VR.
Green VR?
No, you're not.
You are not a YouTuber.
I watch every single
Okay,
YouTuber
Jack.
I watch every single YouTuber and TikTok and YouTube. So you're not a YouTuber.
I'm filming right now.
I can tell by the voice. I can tell by a voice that you're not
Everybody,
a YouTuber.
I'm filming right now. Buckets.
Let me check. Oh yeah, you are filming right now. I can tell. I can tell. Because you're a YouTuber. I can tell.
Everybody, I'm recording.
I'm just not recording because
recording?
I'm not recording until I'm not recording
What the
until
heck?
like tomorrow. I'm getting up. I'm getting up.
Hello,
My
guys.
friend.
It's Mom Preets. It's Mom Preets.
How am I supposed to get up?
It's Mom Preets.
You okay.
It's Mom
Um,
Preets.
But I do need my long arm.